2.
Alright, I'm Keegan with Aspire Contracting. We're out here at Joe Flewelling's property. Claim number is AZHO00006492. We're going to be replacing this wind damage shingle. As you can see here, here's the wind damage. It's an old 3-tab that is no longer manufactured. What I'm going to be demonstrating is how to get this out and what the issues that we're having with these repairs. We'll start with this. So first thing I need to do is I need to figure out where this 3-tab is nailed in. As you can see, I've highlighted the 3. So I got to get up underneath here and break the adhesion strip that's on the back of the shingle above it. So we've got a nail right here. See that there? You can also see the end line. So this is the last tab on the shingle. So we're having a lot of issues with this adhesion strip. As you can see, that mat transfer right here. So boom, it's ripped this shingle underneath. So that's happening a lot with these shingles. But here's another fastener. Third fastener. So now what we're going to do, get up underneath these fasteners. That one out. So this demonstrates a good point that we're having. Is you can see here's the shingle below it, and there's the nail in the nail line, but the shingle above it also goes through that to get to the decking. So we're going to run into that same issue on this shingle here. Still nailed in. Like I said, it'll be attached to the shingles up here. So now I also have to remove this shingle. So we got a nail right here. You got 2 nails right here. So, what's happening when I'm trying to remove this nail, it's popping through the shingle underneath. So now this shingle is no longer nailed in, but in order to get this wind damage shingle out, I still have to fully remove that nail. And I can no longer re-nail this surface because it came through the top.